when which stage a rational producer would choose, okay, for the production. In the law of variable proportion, we have studied stages, stage 1, 2, 3. In which stage? Name the stage and give the reason for your answer.
Sir, stage 2.
Okay. What is the name for
Sir,
that
because
stage?
sir, stage of diminishing returns.
Okay, stage of diminishing returns. Fine.
So, because in stage 1, the factors are being underutilized,
Okay.
so a producer would not like to produce in stage 1, and in stage 3, there is overcrowding of the factors, and it leads to overcrowding and management problem. It is known
Overcrowding
as
of
the
which factor?
stage.
Overcrowding of which factor?
So fixed factors.
No.
Uh, Variable factors.
Yes. A variable factor. We are taking a factor only. It's the overcrowding of the variable factor.
Variable factors.
Okay. With the
And
given 6 factors. Okay, fine.
so stage 3 is known as the stage of absurdity,
Okay.
and hence a producer. And in stage 2, they are all the variable factors are being used in
Just
optimum.
I would interrupt. I would interrupt all the variable factors. Or it's a one factor only. It's one
So
variable factor.
factor, yes, sir.
Yes.
So there is a optimum combination of the fixed factor and the variable factor.
Okay, yes, that's fine.
So
Yeah. We get the
so you were saying
optimum combination of the variable factor
variable.
and the fixed factors, okay, in the stage 2. So ultimately what
And
happens? We get the best out of the factors available. Okay, very good. Okay, Saksham.
So यही definition.
Yes, marginal cost.
So marginal cost is the additional cost which arises when the output is increased by one additional unit.
Yes, good. You can say that way. As an one additional unit is produced, whatever is addition to the cost of production, that is known as marginal cost. Correct? Yes, Mr. Joshua, would you like to answer what is the relationship between the marginal cost and total variable cost? Means, how can you determine marginal cost from total variable cost at different levels of output? आपको बताना है कि टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट से आप मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कैसे डिटरमाइन करोगे, क्या करना पड़ेगा एट डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ आउटपुट?
सर टोटल कॉस्ट एंड टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट.
टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट एंड मार्जिनल कॉस्ट में क्या रिलेशन है? रिलेशन इन द सेंस, क्या आप मार्जिनल कॉस्ट को टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट से फाइंड कर सकते हो? अगर यस तो कैसे?
नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं कर सकते हैं. यस, खुशी लोहिया, प्लीज डोंट हाइड योरसेल्फ.
सर टोटल कॉस्ट से उसको फाइंड कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, I'll come back to you. Khushi Lohia, can we calculate marginal cost from total variable cost?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Try to be louder.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes के बाद अब कैसे? How?
Marginal cost is equals to total cost n minus 1 minus total cost.
आपने तो total cost के बीच में difference बताया. Total variable cost.
So total variable cost, number of units minus 1 minus total variable cost.
Okay, you are talking about the two consecutive values of total variable cost will give you marginal cost. Means TVC n minus TVC n minus 1 is equals to marginal cost. Is it?
सर हम बोले.
कौन बोलना चाहेगा? साहिल. Yes, sure.
सर सेम चीज होगा लेकिन टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट के बदले टोटल कॉस्ट हो जाएगा.
ओके, तो आपके साहिल, आपके हिसाब से मार्जिनल कॉस्ट को डिटरमाइन नहीं किया जा सकता है टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट से?
नहीं कर सकता सर.
ओके, निर्भीक, वुड यू लाइक टू give your view?
So total variable cost of n minus total variable cost of n minus 1.
Yes, very good. That's it. Sahil, answer is yes, because marginal cost is independent of the fixed cost. Sahil, आपने जो कहा TCN minus TCN minus 1, that's fine, that's great. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, उससे आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. But irrespective of total cost, total variable cost से भी आप marginal cost फाइंड कर सकते हो. Because marginal cost is independent of the total fixed cost, or total fixed cost is one of the components of total cost. तो total cost नहीं हो, अगर total variable cost भी है, उनकी values आपको पता तो आप marginal cost find कर सकते हो. And it can be explained in the next class with proof कि कैसे होगा ये. If you want, I'll give you the verification details कि कैसे होगा.
सर समझ गया मैं.
Okay. So Nirbhik, Rishabh, Ronak, Jivika, Yash, Sahil, Saksham, Khushi, Joshua, Palash and Mehul. Thank you so much for joining this verbal question answer session. And I would like you all to join this kind of session at least once a week, so that we can be communicating each other, and we can come in contact with each other at least virtually, and get our doubts, and you can get your doubts clear, and I will be very much happy, okay, to clear your doubts. Okay, take care. Thank you.